I have been holding on to these lights for a minute, and I'm so mad because one of them is defective. So this is like the covering for it. It still got the little pop, but this is the cover. It's that. I don't know if I'm doing it justice, but yeah, that is so cute. It's so cute. Let's see. I can't focus. These are so cute, you guys. Let me turn this off so you can get the real effect. All right. And let's look at that. 3 different light settings. And you can just easily. Now, is there any batteries in this remote? No, but I'm pretty sure it takes like AAA. Yeah, so 2 AAA batteries. I don't have it. So it came with a remote for each one. So yeah, that is cool. So basically, you got a backup remote because like one remote you could just use for both of them, and if you lose it or it get broke, you have a backup. These are on my Amazon storefront. These are so pretty. They're like expensive looking. They're heavy, and it's chargeable, USB chargeable. So there's a little port there. These are everything in the brass color. Let me see if it goes well with my drawer handle. So yeah, it goes with my drawer handles as well. Look at that. These are so cute. These are everything. So yeah, they are they are in my Amazon storefront. If you're interested, just click on my link tree and it will take you there. These are super, super, super gorgeous. Look at that. I just wish the other one wasn't defective and I could just hang them up. So My seat done went down, so it's right here. So these are the little brackets that you'll get as well. So it comes with 2 silver brackets, one for each. It's like the covering for it. Still got the little pop, but this is the cover of it, and they're so cute, but I couldn't put them up. So I made a video of me unboxing this light set. So you get